Nottingham is first 4 o'clock.
The next train is passing through the station. Please stand back from the edge of platform 2.
4 o'clock and it's heading up to Nottingham. So yeah, this is 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. So yeah, that line take you to Nottingham. I think that line will take you even to Birmingham or to London, I think.
The next train is passing through the station.
So we've got another train passing through. I think this might be a an express like the Penalina one. And yeah, please like this video and subscribe if you like trains. Give me 10 likes and I'll do this more. But I probably won't be here but by that time, but I'll definitely bob down to Crewe or somewhere, just finding lots of trains.
Train is passing through the
So yeah, it's dried up now as well.
Platform 2.
And if this is very successful, I might even make a train vlog, a train thingy jig, a train account, and fun fairs account, and fun fair and theme parks account is a bit successful. But if it's not, then no, I'm not going to do it. So yeah, I will pause this and I will wait for this train. I might get some shots off the bridge as well, so see if I can see it longer. It's not here yet, so yeah, I'll be about a mile away. Now there's another train coming through a platform 1 as well, so platform 2, platform 1, they might pass the same time, I don't know. Oh, here we go. Might as well just, oh, it's a trucks.
The next train is passing through the station.
There's another one coming, I think.
The next train is passing through the station. Please stand back from the edge of platform 1.
I wasn't expecting that one to come past like that on this line, and then another one just came past as well. So yeah, I'll be here for another 40 minutes, see if I can get some more shots. Then I might stand on the bridge for a minute. There's another Virgin coming through the station, and the other one just passed about a minute ago, and there's another one coming down now. Oh, yeah.
The next train is passing through.
I'm going to get lots of shots for you, but I'm going to be quiet now. Every time I put it on, I won't be saying stuff. So this is my last time until the end of my video when I say thank you for watching. So yeah, see you in a minute. Trucks one again.